Bangladesh's drone industry is experiencing remarkable growth. What began as a niche interest for hobbyists has transformed into a dynamic sector with far-reaching implications. This rapid evolution is rapidly positioning Bangladesh as a significant player in the global drone landscape. The nation's journey into the heart of drone technology is a testament to its capacity for innovation and strategic vision. This essay will explore the multifaceted aspects of Bangladesh's drone revolution. From its humble origins in the world of hobbyists to its integration into the nation's military apparatus, we'll delve into the key factors driving this transformative shift. By examining the technological advancements, the key players, and the potential impact on Bangladesh's defense capabilities, we'll gain a comprehensive understanding of this burgeoning industry and its implications for the future. The drone story in Bangladesh began, as in many parts of the world, with enthusiasts. Hobbyists, drawn to the allure of flight and the potential of unmanned aerial vehicles, formed the bedrock of the drone movement in Bangladesh. Small groups gathered to share their passion, experimenting with rudimentary drones and pushing the limits of their capabilities. These early adopters, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a DIY spirit, laid the groundwork for wider adoption. Online forums buzzed with discussions about drone technology, with enthusiasts sharing tips, tricks, and experiences. As the global drone industry witnessed a surge in innovation, Bangladesh's hobbyist community kept pace, eagerly embracing new technologies and incorporating them into their projects. Drone racing, with its adrenaline-pumping action and technical challenges, emerged as a popular pursuit, further fueling the growth of the community. This vibrant and passionate community played a pivotal role in demystifying drone technology and bringing it into the mainstream. Bangladesh's drone industry is characterized by its remarkable capacity for technological advancement. Driven by a combination of local ingenuity and global collaboration, Bangladeshi engineers and entrepreneurs are developing cutting-edge drone solutions. These advancements span a wide spectrum, from enhanced flight control systems to sophisticated sensor integration, positioning Bangladesh at the forefront of drone innovation. One notable area of progress is in the development of long-range drones capable of carrying heavier payloads. These drones, equipped with advanced battery technology and aerodynamic designs, are opening up new possibilities for various applications, including surveillance, mapping, and delivery. Furthermore, Bangladesh has made significant strides in artificial intelligence and machine learning, integrating these technologies into drone systems to enhance their autonomy, decision-making capabilities, and overall efficiency. Key players are shaping the landscape of Bangladesh's drone industry. Bangladesh's drone ecosystem is characterized by a diverse array of players, each contributing to the sector's growth and development. Startups, research institutions, and government agencies are working in tandem to foster innovation and create a conducive environment for the industry to flourish. Collaboration is a cornerstone of this ecosystem, with stakeholders recognizing the importance of shared knowledge and resources to drive progress. One notable example is the Bangladesh Army's investment in drone technology. Recognizing the strategic significance of unmanned aerial vehicles, the Army has established dedicated units specializing in drone operations. This commitment to integrating drones into its defense strategy is a testament to Bangladesh's understanding of the evolving nature of warfare and its proactive approach to staying ahead of the curve. The government is playing a crucial role in creating a supportive regulatory framework for drone operations. Drones for defense mark a new era in Bangladesh's military capabilities. The transition from hobbyist drones to military applications is a significant development in Bangladesh's drone trajectory. The Bangladesh Armed Forces have recognized the strategic advantages offered by unmanned aerial vehicles, particularly in enhancing surveillance, reconnaissance, and border security operations. This shift towards integrating drones into its defense strategy is a testament to Bangladesh's commitment to modernizing its military capabilities. Drones provide a cost-effective and efficient means of monitoring vast and challenging terrains, such as the Sundarbans mangrove forest, known for its dense vegetation and intricate waterways. This capability is crucial for combating transnational crimes, including smuggling and illegal fishing, which pose significant security challenges to Bangladesh. Furthermore, drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging sensors can provide real-time situational awareness to ground forces, enhancing their ability to respond to threats and safeguard the nation's borders.